Okay, we have done up to this part. Now if we press Ctrl S and get back to our project and reload, we can see that the WordPress is font phrase is right into the face, and if we hover in, that the text is now turning into a yellow color, but the text overline is still missing right over here. So that is why we need to get back to our project and to check the things all around. Let's put a padding top. We're just checking whether everything is all right or not. So we are providing a 40 rem padding top here. Reload, and we can see that the text is right onto the top of this particular header line. So everything is practically placed right into order. Now this was just a testing purpose. We need to check whether this text overline, this text decoration overline is working or not. So that is why we have put this padding top of 4 rem. We have no use of it, so we are about to remove it. We may replace this text decoration overline too. We don't have a need of it. There it goes. Just make this text decoration underline disappear. We don't have a need of it. So the text decoration will be none. There it goes. There's practically no text decoration anymore. In the similar manner, we need to put this color something different. So in that case, if we get back first and press F12 and select this individual paragraph, we can see that a div class of head wrapper, there's a paragraph tag in between this head wrapper part, so we need to customize them. This is the customization so far. So if we put here color and if we put it Alice blue, we can see that practically it is working. But on the other hand, we can see that the color of the post, it practically turns into something else. So that is why we need to specify specifically that for a paragraph element into this individual head banner or this head wrapper, actually this is the class head wrapper, it will be turning into this antique white color or this Alice blue color, whatever it is. So we need to change it right over here, restore it back first. Let's get back to our project, and here we will be copying this thing. You may copy this whole thing from here, and here we will be replacing this link with the paragraph element, and we'll be mentioning that the color, it should be, or say, Alice blue. There it goes. Sorry, we have made this, we have to make this change on head wrapper piece. So any paragraph element that comes within this head wrapper class, it will be having a color of Alice blue. Press Ctrl S, get back to your project and reload, and we can see that the color is now changed. So far it is working. There's absolutely no problem. In the next case, we will be inserting menu into our WordPress project. We can see that we have practically first of all registered each and every styles and scripts, and then we had enqueued them, and then we had called them into our project. And here into this header.php, all we are going to do, we are going to create a new nav element. In this case, the very first thing that we are going to do, we are creating a div class of our own, and we will be mentioning the purpose of this block of code. We will be creating a menu bar here, and by the end we need to mention that the menu bar div is closed here, and we will be naming it as menu holder. There's will be a wrapping element outside. So we have created this div class menu bar. Now all we need to do, we need to get back to this individual navbar section of Bootstrap 4.4 And here we will be practically copying the code of this individual navbar home. So we are copying it and we are getting back first of all and putting everything inside. We will be intending them for a little. There it goes, and this is the nav element. So everything is in position. Now all we are going to do, first of all, let's check whether it is working or not. So we'll be getting back to our project and reload. And we can see that the navbar is in position. So this is the navbar that we had copied, and this is the drop down link. Now in this essence, we'll be getting back to our admin panel dashboard and into these pages. If we get back to these pages, we can see that these are the pages so far. All we are going to do, we are going to create 2 new pages or maybe 3 in this purpose. So we are about to create them. Let's suppose that this is the about us, and we'll be requiring some contents for it. Now we had copied some contents right over here and we are pasting it inside. So this is the about us section. Now let's make it publish, and there goes the first page. In the similar manner, if we add new and if we create another page, something like this, services, and we are pasting another content here. So let's publish contact us, and the post is published. So if we get back to this all pages, we can see that these are the published pages. We need to create, we need to practically invoke all those pages into the menu bar. This is the menu bar that we have created in this respect. So first of all, let's head back to the text editor, and in this respect we will be removing some of these elements. Like from this list classes, we are about to remove it. This is the first case that we are going to remove. This is the first thing that we did. So definitely we'll be practically removing all of those list elements. Those were inside. And in the next case, we'll be getting back to admin panel dashboard. And in the first case, we'll check into this appearance section, and we'll see that there isn't practically any kind of menus present into our project. So this is the first assignment that we need to accomplish. We need to invoke the menus header, the menus part, into under this appearance section right over here.